Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing one of the most loved Pakistani breakfasts. If you want a budget-friendly, quick, and protein-rich breakfast, that is ready in just 10 minutes. So let's start this easy and flavorful recipe. Take a pan and add cooking oil 3 tablespoons. Add chopped onions and cook until it becomes translucent. Then add chopped tomatoes and chilies, mix all together. Add spices that are already mentioned. When oil bloom, then add 3 eggs. Mix and cook all together. Cook on low flame until everything becomes soft. Mix gently and turn off the flame. Now add fresh chopped coriander leaves and julienne ginger. Your delicious Anda Khagina is ready. Cooking is my love language.